Hello there, well, thank you for watching Harry Ashcott Studios. So today I would like to review the open pack review, okay, for this condenser microphone. So the code is SF666. So condenser microphone. Okay, so what's so special about this microphone? You can record your voice very clearly in a cheap price. Okay, this price for this condenser microphone is very good. Okay, the price is very low, so but the quality is the best. Okay, so if you can afford to buy the best microphone, the condenser microphone, you can have this one. Okay, this is so cheap and very good quality of your voice. Okay, so this condenser microphone you can use for chatting, okay, for Skype or for YouTuber. Okay, so now you can see the specification. So for this one I'm using the 3.5mm plug. Okay, so not the USB plug. So what you can see here, so the sensitivity is about 30 decibel plus minus 3, and it got a noise cancelling. Okay, so what the best is, the cord length is 2 meter. Okay, this is the best. Okay, the longer, so you can pull it everywhere you want. So I'm going to open it up, the packs. So look what we got here. Okay, so the cord is red in color, so the 2 meter cord. Okay, you can see this is the 3.5 jack and the holder. Okay, microphone holder. So you can see here. Alright, very nice, very nice. Okay, so this is the microphone. So this one is a steel mesh, okay, double side. So all this is plastic and rubbery here. Okay, so you can see it, the code is SF666 condenser microphone. Okay, so if you want to hear the sound and how it sound, I will record it and you can hear it like this. Okay, now I'm using this microphone. Okay, you can hear my voice is very clear, is it? Hello, hello. So it's very clear. So by using this microphone, you can have your video with a good sound quality. Okay, just like what you heard right now. Okay, so it's very good quality, although it's actually far from me. It's about 30 cm, so you still can hear my voice very clear, is it? So this microphone is so good, okay, for this brand. So this one you can get a very cheap price, but the quality is really good. Okay, so this one you can use directly to your phone or to your laptop, okay, or your PC. Okay, so it's very good for recording. I really love this microphone. So you can hear my voice so clear. That's really good. Okay, so you can get it from out there, the store. Okay, comes with this stand, so good. Okay, thank you for watching.